In this lesson we will focus on finding below Arabic alphabets in Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, so Akil, we were reinforcing our letters Jim, Ha, and Kha. So their shapes are the same, just the dots are on different areas. Now today's new letters are Dal and Dal. Okay, so now let's so if we try to find the Dal, you did a good job finding it. Okay, where is it? Where is it? It is right here. Okay, see? So the Dal, I also call it like a Pac-Man, you know. So the shape is like that, and it's got a dot. They are pretty much very similar. Even they look very similar. They sound similar. Dal, Val. But when I say the Val, my tip of the tongue touches the front two teeth. Val, Val. No sizzle. I cannot say Zal. No, no sizzle. Val, Dal, Val. So what are the similarities? The shape is similar. The names are rhyming, Dal and Val, and they don't have any sizzle in it. Okay, so those are and there's light letters. I smile when I say Dal, Val. They are light letters. And we found the first one. But now, Akil, they can hide. Now, they can hide in a way that is going to be so tricky. Guess what? There is a Daal and Dhaal in this line also. Okay? But you cannot tell right now because they are playing a trick on us. The way they hide is a trick. This Dhaal was too simple to find. But the other way, let's go see how they hide. Okay, so they have a trick. What is their trick? Let's go see. So the Daal and Dhaal, I call them like turtles also. Why? Because a Daal and a Dhaal can, do what? It can turn on its back like a turtle. Look at this one. So that's the Daal and that's going to be the Dhaal. So what do? They turn on their backs like a turtle. Okay. So Daal and Dhaal. Now we are going to go find them. Okay. They are going to be turned back. Let me do it one more time for you. So this is the Daal. This is the Dhaal, and they turn on their backs like that, and that's how they hide. Okay, so how can I tell the Dhaal? Because of the dot. Okay, and the dot is still on one of the sides. Okay, not in the middle. Okay, let's go find Daal and Dhaal. Okay, now what do you think, Ali? What do you think, Akil? Now tell me when you see a Dhaal turned on its back.
So,
Yeah, look at the Dhaal turned on its back. Okay, so this was the Dhaal one, the easy way when it's not hiding, and this is the Dhaal in cursive when it's trying its best to hide. Okay, and guess what? Now let's go find the Dhaal. Okay, do we have a regular Dhaal somewhere? I don't think so. Let's find the Dhaal that is hiding. Okay, Dhaal. Okay, and when I say Dhaal, my mouth is stretched and I'm kind of smiling. Dhaal. Okay, let's find the Dhaal. Let's find Dhaal, Dhaal, Dhaal. Oh, do you think this is Dhaal, Akil?
Dhaal. Yep.
Yeah, excellent. Okay, so this is Dhaal. So today we know something. Now, if we didn't know this hiding skill, we would have never found it. We would have like, hey, it should look like this. But no, it can turn on its back. It can rotate. Okay. Hey, that's a Dhaal also. Now let me take out a different sheet. And let's go find it there. Okay. So it's just that when you know the different styles, how they hide, then it's easy. Okay. Okay, let's go, Akil. Let's first find the Dhaal. This is the Dhaal. No dot. Dhaal. Let's go find the Dhaal. Okay, so first it's not hiding. Okay. Dhaal. Let me know when you find Dhaal.
Dhaal.
Dhaal. Good job. That's the Dhaal. Okay, so Dhaal number one. I am going to highlight the first Dhaal. Okay, that's the first Dhaal. Okay, let's go find a Dhaal that is in the hiding position. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Dhaal turned on its back.
Dhaal.
Dhaal. Good job, Dhaal. Okay, excellent. This is the Dhaal that is turned like that. Okay, so look here. These are all letter Dhaal. Okay, That's also a dal. Okay, so these are all the letter dal. Dal. Okay, if I have not missed it. Yeah, these are all letter dals. Okay. Hey, can we see, is there any letter dal? Sometimes it's not even a single dal in a in a sheet of in a sheet. Okay, so maybe there is no dal here today. Okay, I think I only see dal. Okay, so that's how you find them. Okay, inshallah. Okay,